Today we're talking all about top dampers. Top dampers are one of our most sold products because over the years with the life of a chimney, we find dampers that open and close the passageway through a fireplace system either get rusted out, or there's a debris that piles up on top of them, or there'll be a nest or something that blocks it. And so today's video is all about all the different ways to fix a damper that doesn't seal good, doesn't work right. And I want to thank today's sponsor who fabricated all these nice top dampers, US Fireplace Products. These are locally made, US built top damper systems. They're fabricated out of the highest quality materials, and that's why I put them on all of my customers' fireplaces and chimneys. When I install a top damper, I want to know for certain that it's going to be a user-friendly experience for my customer and it's not going to give them any problems. So we're going to talk about kind of a good, better, best, and best premium solution here with the top damper. Any one of these top dampers is going to install the same way. This is a masonry flue tile, which you'll commonly see coming out of the top of the chimney, protruding out of the top of the chimney. With the old damper removed and cut out, we can basically install this door on the top of the chimney. So this one is called the Seal Tight model from US Fireplace Products. It's the most cost-effective solution when somebody does not have a damper. It does have a nice seal on the bottom of it right here, and this cable simply drops down the chimney all the way into the firebox, which I'll show you how to install later. And this door mounts on the top of that flue tile, and from below the user can pull on that stainless steel cable and it will either open or close that door. So that's the Seal Tight. It's the most cost-effective solution, and it comes with an installation kit, silicone mounting bracket and handle. The next choice is the better one, which is called the top locking damper. You'll notice that it kind of has a stainless steel top to it, very high quality construction. The seal on it seals right here on the top of this cast aluminum, and then right here on this high temperature red gasket. So the seal that you get from this is a much better airtight seal than you'll find on this damper. So similarly, it gets installed in the same way with a bead of high temperature silicone right here. I'll like to actually put the silicone on the flue tile first, place the damper down, and then I'll do a back caulk joint, making sure that it's totally sealed. Once that's up there, again, the user can pull up and down on the chain, and you'll see this damper open and close like so. So the best construction I have found from US Fireplace Products is this damper. It is called the Energy Top Damper. It comes with this kit as well, and it has superior engineering and construction. So you'll notice how it rotates when it shuts, and it actuates slightly differently than that one there. It installs the same way. Cable goes down the flue, aluminum goes on top of the flue tile, and it's just a heavier duty design. The ease of opening and closing this fireplace is the premium experience for the customer. It's just like an effortless, very fluid opening and closing. So now we will go inside and we'll talk about how this gets mounted onto the inside of the fireplace. This is the last version, which actually has the termination cap installed on top of the Energy Top Damper, the Energy Top Damper Plus, made by US Fireplace Products. This is all fabricated and assembled in the United States. So it's a very, very well built product. Same installation, simply gets siliconed onto the top right here of the flue tile. And then the customer not only has a top damper, but they also have a chimney cap on the top of their chimney as well. In this installation packet, you'll get some high performance RTV silicone, which is a high heat silicone, and basically nice generous bead around the top of the damper. You want to make sure that it adheres really, really well and it doesn't kind of squish around. It's got to be centered perfectly. It's good to test it multiple times before you leave the job. So now we're going to go inside and take a look at how to mount the bracket on the firebox and tune the cable so that it's in the proper position for your homeowner to simply pull up and down on the cable to open and close the damper.